Hello there, today I'm showing you how to make crunchy cucumber pickles. First start by cutting off the edges, then slice them into quarter strips. Put them in a bowl. Finally done cutting. Add a tablespoon of sea salt and scrub it in the cucumbers. Just like my previous video, use around 4 cloves of garlic. Cut them into quarters. Get a container, the size fitting how many cucumbers you used. Put some of the cloves in there. Now start putting the cucumbers in. Here's how it looks. Now fill the jar more than halfway with water, then the rest with apple vinegar. Vinegar type is optional. And that's it. Now just keep it 1 day in the sun, then 1 day in room temperature or the fridge to cool it. Look at that! Taste and crunch test. Tense, absolutely amazing. Now let's see my dad's reaction. That crunch though. He loved it so much, and so would you. Please subscribe if you enjoyed, and I hope you learned something new. Have a great day.